This video does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. The content here I show is only for education purpose.
Hi, I am Mohammad Asif and we will see how to quickly run multiple Tor browser on Windows operating system. Each Tor browser instance with a different IP address. First of all, download and install Tor browser from the Tor browser official website. The link to download Tor browser is given in the video description. It will download the Tor browser 69.8 megabyte file into your system, which you can easily extract. After downloading the Tor browser setup file, select your language and click on the OK button. Choose the destination location. I am choosing desktop as the destination folder. Click on the next button after adding the destination location. Uncheck both the options and click on the Finish button. Open the location where you have downloaded the Tor browser setup file. Run the Tor browser setup file again. Change the destination folder name. Extract the Tor browser as many times as you want just by changing the destination folder name each time. I am extracting the Tor browser setup 4 times to run 4 different windows of Tor browser. After installing the required numbers of Tor browsers, open the second browser. Write about.config in the search bar. Search for extensions.torlauncher.start_tor in the configuration window. Change the value from true to false. Close the window. Do the same for all the Tor browser instances except for the first one. After changing the Tor launcher value to false, open the first Tor browser folder. Go to the browser folder. After that, Tor browser folder. Double click on the data folder. Again open Tor browser and then double click on the Tor defaults file. Add socks port 9153 at the end of the file. Save changes by pressing Ctrl plus S keys and close the editor. Again, open the Tor defaults file for the second Tor browser. And add socks port 9154. Save the changes. Do the same for all the Tor browser instances just by increment the socks port number by 1, except for the last installation of the browser, which is the number 4 in our case. Now you can run all the Tor browser windows in parallel with different sockets and IP addresses. Let's arrange the Tor browser windows. Search for IP address in each of the Tor browser window. And each Tor browser window will display a different IP address and socket ports. You can now run as many instances of Tor browsers as you want, all with different IP addresses by following this simple method. Comment below your suggestions, questions and feedback in the comment box. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting computer science video updates. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.